Welcome. If you're not subscribed my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and give a click on all so that you will get all the notification of my videos. Thank you. Like, comment and share. Welcome. Today we are going to see about the introduction of Joseph Edison. We all know Joseph Edison because he was a great and known essayist. And then he belonged to Restoration Age. In the Restoration Age, he particularly belonged to age of Pope. John Edison, born on 1672 to 1719, and he was an English essayist and satirist. Edison occupies the large space in the history of literature. He was known for his modern essays from The Tatler and The Spectator. 18th century was the beginning of writing a new style of prose. So he belonged to the century. It is the 18th century, and it is a very beginning for the new style of writing a prose. So Joseph Edison is a famous essayist as well as he occupies a large space in the history of literature. So it's a very important, and his very important work, that is a modern essay, is the name is The Tatler and The Spectator. The Tatler and The Spectator is a very famous and popular essay which was written by Joseph Edison. And then he always writes in a different style when he started to write a prose. So when we see other prose writer is completely different from other prose writer. Joseph Edison used to write a many poem. Sorry, that is only one poem, which is a long poem. And then Joseph Edison, he is the eldest son of the Reverend Lancelot Edison. His name is usually remembered alongside that of his long-standing friend Richard Steele, with whom he founded the Spectator magazine. So whenever we say Joseph Edison, along with his name, we usually say Richard Steele, Edison and Steele, because he is a very close to him. That is a friend of Joseph Edison. They both joined together and they have founded the Spectator magazine. But the Tatler is a separated one of Joseph Edison work, but the Spectator magazine is together Richard Steele as well as Joseph Edison. They joined together and they have donate the essays of their style of writing essays to the Spectator magazine. They contributed. Joseph Edison and Steele, they both were contributed and they have given their works to the Spectator magazine. And the two essays, as we already said, that is The Tatler and The Spectator, were considered as a preparation of a modern novel. Richard Steele was his friend, and with him Edison founded the magazine The Spectator. He published many dailies like The Guardian and The Freeholder. So Joseph Edison were published the dailies in a regular magazines like a daily thing, that is the Guardian and The Freeholder. Edison also contributed in The Tatler, which was started by his friend Steele. So The Tatler was started by Richard Steele, but Edison were contributed his work in the Tatler's work. And then Joseph Edison and Steele always think similar. They always think similar, and their work, their explaining things and their way of writing the style is similar. They both usually write in a similar manner. And then Joseph Edison, when we see him, he has written a poem as well as he has written a play. He has both the thing. But when we compare to the poem and the play, Joseph Edison is known for his prose. And the major and minor works of Joseph Edison is, that is, essays collected from the Tatler and the Spectator. The Tatler and the Spectator, in both the collection of work, Joseph Edison's prose were contributed. Letters to a Young Lady, Discussion of a Bear's Head, Discussion of Cockat's Heart, Cato the Drummer. Cato is a tragedy which was written by Joseph Edison. The Drummer, it's a comic play which was written by Joseph Edison. Whenever we hear Joseph Edison, we only know about his Spectator, like explaining the spectators in his essays. But it's a very, very important one. He has written the comic play as well as a tragedy play. The name of the comic play is The Drummer, and the name of the tragedy play is a Cato. It is a very, very important work, and it is a very, very notable thing of Joseph Edison. And Joseph Edison is also written a poem. It is a long poem. That poem speaks about the Rhind Gazette. The poem title is The Campaign. It is in 1704. He has written in 1704. That campaign is nothing but the leader from Whigs party asked to write about their daily life. So Edison started to write about the parties in a Whigs in that particular poem, that is a campaign, praising the war policies of the Whigs. And awards and recognition. There is no information found about awards, but we certainly find some good letters and writings about Edison. Lord Macaulay has written a good admiration about Edison. So Lord Macaulay very much admired the style and writing of Joseph Edison. And Joseph Edison also received a good criticism about his essays from Samuel Johnson. And then we can see that particular work in these are the very, very important thing by Joseph Edison. So in the next video, we can see some other author's biography. Thank you for spending your valuable time by listening my video. Thank you all.